Hey everybody, it's me, Carrie, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Farmington Hills, Michigan here for a Tiny Tip Tuesday. I am very excited to be with you guys today, and I want to say thank you to everybody who came to my booth at Mega Meet. I'm happy to say it was a very successful event for us. And I think some of you enjoyed meeting my sweet husband who did all of the make and takes for me. So that was great. And yes, we will be back next year. Oh, my volume is on here. Let me see if I can turn that off. Hang on. Okay. Hopefully I won't hear myself talking because there's a delay, so it'll sound a little weird. Anyway, there's a couple of things. This is going to be a very quick video. We actually got some news actually on Friday night that my oldest stepson, who has been living in Portland, Oregon, passed away. So we have been working with his children who live up here and working. Oh, I can't see anymore what's going on. I hope I'm still on. Okay, I can't see you if you're chatting. So, unless it lets me go back, I don't know. But anyway, so we're kind of a little bit busy with getting all of that accomplished for them. So I don't know what's going on here. Okay. Anyway, so I'm making this very quick. Plus there's a whole lot going on. So, business-wise, I am by request, I will be bringing some classes back into my home in the next month or so. My goal is for June, but it may not happen until July because, as you guys know, my classroom area became my office, became my storage room, became a blah, blah, blah. Thank you, Barbara. And so anyway, that's where we are. Okay. So a couple of things. If you are a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, I want to remind you or let you know if you did not know that there are going to be 3 matching dies to the Paper Pumpkin kit that is coming up. So you want to order it right away. It is item number 163192, and you'll get 3 dies, and they are $6. It looks like a flower, a leaf, and a vase. So that will be a fun thing to have in your arsenal of goodies. But I didn't want to forget to tell you. Okay. All right. Here we go. Super simple card. I'm using the amazing new Lemon Lolly. Such a pretty card. That's color. It's going to be the card base. It's very bright. It's not quite fluorescent, but it's close. It's a very bright, pretty, happy yellow. And then I have some designer series paper from, hang on, from, I don't know. I got it. I just got to get to it. Okay, it is from the Bright and Beautiful collection. This is actually going to be featured in my volume kit. So if you're curious about it and you're going to be doing volume with me, you'll be getting a half a pack of this. So that'll be cool. So it's a piece from that, and as you can see, the other side is kind of cool also. We're going to be using the Cheerful Daisies bundle, which has this awesome stamp set. Many of you used it with the free make and take that we did at Volume, which is right here. This was the fun, easy peasy Volume make and take. And here's another kind of similar card. And then Michael showed you all the step-up card that was done just with dies. So the dies are awesome. Here they are. I've got one of them out because it makes this, and I wanted it in the correct color. So one of my tips for Tuesday is When you know you're going to have a background like this, put your die right in the center of it, because it's going to get covered up anyway, right? So now I have this piece, and I don't have to worry about, you know, wasting another piece, because that's going to go on there and it's going to be covered. So we are going to start by putting these together with the amazing liquid glue. Love this glue. It is my favorite, and even though the price has gone up a little bit, it is still my favorite adhesive. It is awesome. And then this is going to just go on the front of the card, and see, nobody will even know that there's a hole in the background. Now notice when I put this on, I'm not going too close to the edge. I'm just putting on enough, because when you put it down, it is going to spread. It's liquid, and you've got a little bit of move time. So if you don't get too close and you press towards the edges, then it's down there and it's nice and solid. Now, one of the things that I have done because of time, because I was playing with this, was I pre-cut out, grab it, I pre-cut out this die here, hang on, this one here, and it makes this shape. And then I could use the stamps and stamp on it and stamp the edges. This actually cuts out, if you can see, it makes holes. So I just put another color behind it, and then I colored everything in. So we are good with that. Now, I don't want that one, I want this one. I am going to put adhesive, and I am laying this flat. So I am just using the awesome liquid glue that did I mention that I love it? I think I did. Pretty sure I mentioned it. And I am going to, now this piece wants to wiggle, especially because it's been sitting in my craft area for a little bit. So that actually needs to come away from there a little. There we go. And then this piece I want to stick underneath, and so I need to hurry because this is the liquid glue and it's already starting to dry. And so there we go. You can add more of this. It's not in the perfect position, but like I said, it's a little bit crazy today. I'm taking the sentiment that says wishing you the brightest birthday, and I'm using Azure Afternoon. This is one of our awesome new colors, which you can see in the flowers here, to stamp wishing you the brightest birthday. And I'm going to stamp it right onto some DSP that matches. So I'm going to press that on there. There we go. And then I'm just going to mat it onto the matching, what is the name of this new color? I have no idea. Copper something, or something copper. But it's one of our new colors. So there we go. Wishing you the brightest birthday. Not straight. I'm okay with it. Hopefully you are too, because I can deal. And this one I am going to put up on dimensionals. I think I mentioned, I'm 99% sure I mentioned that I am going to start adding some classes in my home soon, but I am going to show you, I have a few spaces available for this Saturday, but I seriously need to know by tomorrow, Thursday, what would that be, the 17th, I believe, so that I have time to cut everything for you. So let me know if you want to be added to that. And I'm just going to set that right there and there. A super easy peasy. I think it needs another flower, but I don't have one done, so maybe I'll do another flower and pop that on in a little bit. Okay, so the cards that we're going to be doing in Farmington Hills are this fun interchanging rings. We're going to be making this card with the leftover innards from that card. This will be a fun card because we're going to be doing the background and blending in that pretty background color. Another one with the awesome Daisy set. And then a fun one with some new colors and the Birds of a Feather bundle. So I hope you guys liked today's video. Like I said, it is very quick. I think that's right, Barbara. I think it is copper clay. Okay, so I appreciate all of you. I will be back on Saturday after my class, so it'll probably be 1-ish to do another video. And in the meantime, I will be working on a bunch of stuff. I'm working on my volume kit. I think you guys are going to love it. It's definitely for crafters. So I will talk to you soon. Have a blessed and wonderful day. This video will be saved and you'll be able to view it again. So if you're just popping in, like I think Jen just popped in, you can go back and rewatch it from the beginning. And of course, I'm going to pop it over onto my YouTube channel. I would love it if you would share. Please comment below if you share my video. And I will talk to you all soon. Have a blessed day. Bye.